In last period, you had study about the gravitational potential energy. Now we'll discuss about the escape velocity. In ninth standard, you had study about the if the force is applied on any object, or any object is thrown in upward direction, that object reaches a maximum height, and then after reaching a maximum height, it will be stable. Suppose if we throw any object from the position A and it reaches a distance, it reaches some height h1, and it will be stable. When object goes on, the distance of the object from the surface of the earth goes on increasing, the velocity of that object goes on decreasing, because earth gravitational force acts on it in the downward direction. Due to this reason, that force of gravity opposes to that object in upward direction. Due to this reason, after reaching some distance, that object will be stopped. That means the initial velocity of that object is considered as AU, and the final velocity after reaching a maximum height, the final velocity becomes 0, and the acceleration due to gravity, that means acceleration, is nothing but the minus g. In ninth standard, you have studied about the third kinematic equation. The third kinematic equation is that v square is equal to u square plus twice as, where u is the initial velocity, v is the final velocity, a is the acceleration, and s is the displacement, but where at the place of the s you can take the h. When we throw any object from the surface of the earth and reaches some height, its velocity goes on decreasing and it reaches a maximum height. At this time, its final velocity becomes 0. When we put up these values, v is equal to 0, 0 square is equal to u square plus 2 into minus g, and at the place of the s you can take the h. Therefore, 0 is equal to u square minus 2gh. Therefore, you can take the value, you can determine the value of the EH. 2GH is equal to U square, and therefore EH is equal to U square divided by 2G. That means when we throw any object in upward direction, it reaches the how many height, which will be depends upon their initial velocity. If we increase the initial velocity, it reaches a more distance as compared to the first. Again, when we increase the initial velocity as compared to the first and second, the object reaches a maximum distance. That means any object reaches how many distance or how many heights, which will be depends upon their initial velocity. More the initial velocity, the object reaches a maximum distance. Once a time, when the object is thrown in upward direction with a maximum height, once time that object goes beyond the gravitational field, earth gravitational field. जसजशी तुम्ही एखाद्या ऑब्जेक्टवर थ्रो करताना जसजशी तुम्ही त्याची स्पीड इन्क्रीज कराल, तसतसं दॅट ऑब्जेक्ट रिचेस अ मॅक्झिमम हाईट, तसतसा तो ऑब्जेक्ट जास्त अंतर कव्हर करेल. आणि एक वेळेस तुम्ही जर इनिशियल व्हेलॉसिटी इतकी वाढवली की ॲट दिस टाइम that object reaches beyond the earth gravitational field. At this time, there is no gravitational force act on it. It is free from the gravitational force. It is free from the force of gravity. At this time, that object goes at a infinite distance. जसजशी आपण कोणत्याही ऑब्जेक्ट थ्रो करत असताना त्याची इनिशियल व्हेलॉसिटी वाढवू, तसतसं तो जास्त उंचीवर जाईल. पण आपण इतकी मॅक्झिमम व्हेलॉसिटी त्याची वाढवली की त्यावेळेस तो ऑब्जेक्ट ॲट ए इन्फायनाइट डिस्टन्सवर रिचेस झाला, आणि ज्यावेळेस तो इन्फायनाइट डिस्टन्सवर रिचेस होईल, ॲट दिस टाइम दॅट ऑब्जेक्ट इज फ्री फ्रॉम द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी. नो ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स ॲक्ट ऑन इट, and it is free from each other. Free from. At this time, the object goes beyond the earth gravitational field. That time, the velocity is known as the escape velocity. The maximum initial velocity at which the object goes beyond the earth gravitational field, it is free from the force of gravity. That initial maximum velocity is known as the escape velocity. ज्या इनिशियल मॅक्झिमम व्हेलॉसिटीला एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फील्डच्या पलीकडे जात असेल, म्हणजे तो फोर्स ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी पासून फ्री होत असेल, तेव्हा त्या इनिशियल व्हेलॉसिटीला काय म्हणायचं? एस्केप व्हेलॉसिटी. द मॅक्झिमम इनिशियल व्हेलॉसिटी ॲट विच the any object goes beyond the earth gravitational field, or it is free from the force of gravity, that initial maximum velocity of that object is known as the escape velocity. त्यालाच आपण escape velocity असं म्हणायचं. And that escape velocity, which will depends upon the applied force. If more the force applied on the any objects, the initial velocity goes on increasing, and in which time the that object free from the force of gravity, that time the velocity is known as the escape velocity. म्हणजे ज्या इनिशियल मॅक्झिमम व्हेलॉसिटीला एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट बियॉन्ड द अर्थ ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फील्ड जात असेल, तो फ्री फ्रॉम द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी होत असेल, तेव्हा त्याला म्हणायचं, त्या इनिशियल व्हेलॉसिटीला म्हणायचं एस्केप व्हेलॉसिटी. मग हाऊ विल डिटरमाइन द एस्केप व्हेलॉसिटी? हाऊ विल डिटरमाइन द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ द एस्केप व्हेलॉसिटी? याचा फॉर्म्युला कसा फाइंड करायचा? The formula of the escape velocity depends upon the if any object is thrown in upward direction. जर आपण एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट अपवर्ड डायरेक्शनने थ्रो केला, तर त्यावेळेस त्याची एस्केप व्हेलॉसिटी कशी फाइंड करायची हे कन्सिडर करणार आहोत आपण. अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ ऑफ कॉन्झर्वेशन ऑफ द एनर्जी, वेन वी थ्रोन द एनी ऑब्जेक्ट इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, तर तो फॉर्म्युला डिटरमाइन करण्याच्या अगोदर त्याचं मॅथमॅटिकल एक्सप्रेशन आपल्याला फाइंड करावं लागेल.